How to change the position of your text in KineMaster app. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now I have here a text and I'd like to move this text from here to here. To do it in KineMaster is quite simple. Just head over to the text timeline, or once you have added the text, just head over and tap or click on the text timeline here. And then you'll see your text has been highlighted. So to move this text around, just go and hover over the middle of the text like this, and then tap on it and then drag it along to any place that you so wish. So this, you can move it around and play it around until you get to the position that you want it to appear, and then leave it there. And as you can see, that has been applied. And now if I go ahead and play my video, you can now see the text is appearing on top. So that's how you change the position or move your text around on KineMaster app. If this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if you have any other question, kindly let me know also in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.